Welcome to Bettye's Cooking Channel. Today I'm preparing some taco chicken wings in the air fryer. So let me get started, okay? These are the taco chicken wings. I'm gonna place them in an air fryer and let them cook for 20 minutes. I'm gonna turn them at 10 minutes. So let me get started. This is an easy recipe. Anybody can make these. I just bought this seasoning from the Dollar Tree. It's called Taco Seasoning. So these are taco wings that I'm making. So I have it set for 10 minutes on the air fryer, and I'm gonna turn them over and cook them for 10 more minutes. So I'll let you see what they look like then. These are some lemon wings. These are some lemon mushrooms that I'm doing today. And Super Bowl is coming up, so all of these appetizers are great for Super Bowl. So I'm just waiting for my fryer to heat up so I can add these to the fryer. Just so you know, I washed these mushrooms because mushrooms are really dirty, and these you could see that they were really dirty. So right now I just have the lemon pepper on them, and that's about it. I'm not going to add any oil because I'm going to be placing them in. Okay, these are the wings. Have cooked for 10 minutes. I'm going to turn them over. Let me use this thing instead of using my hand. And if you've been watching me for a long time, you know that I marinated the chicken in the taco seasoning overnight. I do that with all my chicken wings, just so you know. Give it an excellent taste. Tastes like no one's wings. So if you do that step, you have the best wings around. All right, let's turn it over here. And I'm gonna let it cook for 10 more minutes. I'm gonna let it cook for 10 more minutes on this side. Let me close it up and turn on the timer for 10 minutes. See that? Okay. Be back. You see in the oven there? It's a very nice oven. I like using it. And it's easy to use. If you have not used one before, it's very simple. You just use your regular recipes for your chicken, and chicken wings cook for 20 minutes in the fryer. So I just set mine for 10 minutes and turned it over, and I'm cooking the other side for 10 minutes. These are the taco wings. I'm gonna take them out of the oven right now and plate them. These taco wings are very crispy. They only cook for 20 minutes. I just turn them over on each side. And now I'm gonna mix some sour cream dip to go along with these. This chicken is so good just by itself. You don't really need the sour cream, but I wanted something kind of wet on it, so that's what I did. Awesome. Awesome chicken. Just so you know, this is 1 pound of chicken. I added 3/4 teaspoon of the taco seasoning on it and marinated overnight. And then I added like a 1/2 teaspoon to the top of the chicken before I placed it in the air fryer. But it is delicious. So if you like this recipe, like, comment, subscribe, and share this recipe with your friends and family. Have a wonderful day.